Best practices. The first step you need to master is moving around within a project. To do this well, you must completely understand and apply a few things I consider best practices. Always keep one hand on your keyboard and one on your mouse. Never let a hand sit idle, because this means you won't be able to use hotkeys. I recommend you keep your feet flat on the floor, work at a desk, and keep both hands on your peripherals. This applies even if you have a laptop, so please don't work in your bed or while lounging on the couch. Always know on which layer you're on. If you don't have the proper layer selected, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you don't know where you're at, just take a look at the Layers panel. The active layer is always highlighted. Also, if you want to select a layer, do it from the canvas with a Control-click, so you're keeping your focus on the task at hand and not scrolling through tens of layers in the Layers panel. Always use your hotkeys. If you want to go back a step, don't use the menu up top. Instead, use Control-Z. I know this seems like common knowledge, but these little things will make the difference in cutting down the hours from 3 to maybe 2.5 while working on a project. Always go back to the Move tool by pressing V. Since you're constantly arranging things on the canvas, this is the best habit you can possibly have. Whether it's text, a shape, or a graphical element, you'll surely need to either move it, align it in some way, center it, reposition it, etc. So always press V. Always group your layers and rename them. Every few minutes or so, I take a few seconds to double-click on a layer's name, rename it, use Control to select multiple layers, and then group them by using Control-G. You won't believe how easy your life will become if you use this simple technique.